Put your hands up! Let's go, y'all. Y'all, we're here. Pero may isa pang van to go to the hotel. Yes. Saan na sila? Ayun sila. Tagal, bagal. Charat. Let's go. Ito daw yung van, guys. Ito na pala. Oh, there. Pinnacle. Right there. Thank you po. Y'all, we're here.
Ba't tayo na sa Pinnacle?
Bawal ka.
Kaway.
Hey.
Satisfaction.
Okay, balik na tayo. Uwi na. Okay, let's go, guys. Guys, we're in Boracay. And we're swimming. Cause... Hindi ko kaya. Oh my God, it's so cold! Y'all, it's so cold. OA, apaka-OA. They're right there. Okay, y'all. Nakaka-catch up na kami. Matt is right there. And then, si Ate Madel. It's so cold! Y'all, it's so cold! You see the wave! Drone shot. Drone! Oh, it's so cold, but it's so nice. Actually, guys, di ako pwede lumubog kasi wala kaming goggles. Tapos lahat kami nakasalamin. So like, I don't know what to do, literally. Kasi pag naka-goggles kami, wala kami makita papunta dito. Wala rin pa. Pero ngayon, wala kami makita sa baba kasi nakasalamin. Ayan na siya, may dala siyang goggles.
Pero wala siyang nakikita. Tag but under the water.
Pag pero si Ate Madeloy. Siya lang kasali. Ready, set, go! Parang isa lang. Y'all, pumasok si Ate Mons to swim. It's raining. So, we're also going back. Ayan si Mato. Hindi ko na ba't ganyan siya mag-swim, guys. Napilit natin nakagat. We're going back, y'all. Tito Brandon's right there. Behind. Guys, this is not slow-mo. This is really real time. Real time! Infinity pool, guys.
Malamig kayo.
Uy, hindi. Sakto lang. Sakto lang. Infinity pool.
Baka pag-laps na siya.
Baka pag-laps na ako. On ko lang yung strawberry. Matt, walang goggles.
Wala rin sinabi.
Wala na. Okay, this is the view, y'all. So nice.
Pero hindi namin ma-distinguish kung sino yung
May mga gumagalaw lang. Hindi namin na-distinguish. Kuya Chad, ano na? Baba na. Painintay mo.
Still going. He's still going.
Oh. Post-game interview.
I can't breathe.
Hey.
Pull up!
Hey!
Hurry up. Ready? I'll start slow. Let's see where it goes from there.
Yes, time. Go! Wait, teka lang! What's happening?
Hey! Hey! Oh! Oh! Winner!
Actually, you won. You just beat me up by a little.
Hey! Nung dumating kayo, tsaka I think it's you guys. May sinasabi.
May document.
May sinasabi.
May balat.
Yeah, tawa.
Mamaya tayo sasaya.
Parang hindi nabasa no? Okay guys, we're now walking to D Mall. Maambon ba? Or laway lang? Laway lang ni Lord. Laway lang ni Lord. Okay. We're walking to D Mall. Actually, hindi. Nasa D Mall na kami. Pero, we're walking to the lunch place. Jerry's Grill. Nagugutom na kami ni Ate kasi hindi pa kami kumakain since the morning.
Ayan na sa video.
Ayun lang. Come in, we are open. Guys, we're gonna get henna tattoos. Hopefully hindi kami allergic or else. We're still walking. D Mall is still out of sight. Oh my gosh, it's wet. Oh, 8. I don't know where we are, y'all. Where are we? I really don't know. Oh gosh, okay, we're here. And where is it, right? Right. Alright, we're in D Mall na. Like, officially. Alright! We're in D Mall na. Officially. Ala, may tattoo na naman! We have to get the henna tattoo because we can't swim for 2 hours. If that's...
Talaga?
Yeah.
Oo, papatuyin mo yun.
Yeah, so... While we make, tuyo, what do we do?
Tayo nagpahenna ako. Sabi ni Maki, ba't ka nagpaganyan? Pa-prank ko sana, nagpatato ako pero hindi ko na natakot ako.
Bago pa magsimula, hindi na natakot na kami.
Nafail yung prank.
Oo. Okay guys, there's Jerry's Grill. Napapaligiran tayo ng mga tattoo shops, y'all. Lagot. Hey y'all! So we are here at Jerry's Grill. My front mate is Chanen. Backmate.
Oh, checkmate.
Checkmate. What's the food, y'all?
Sisig. Lechon kawal.
Ooh. Also, we're gonna get, as I said before, we're gonna get henna tattoos.
Yes.
Bawal siya basta end daw for 2 hours. Yeah. Ako dito. Arm sleeve.
Bukas pa yung natuto.
Thank you. Ang init sa labas, pero ang sarap. Thank you. Let's taste the puset.
Maraming salamat sa iyong serbisyo.
Okay, sabay-sabay. Happy to serve!
Ano ba? Keep up naman! Hi guys, so for the first time ever, we're gonna taste banana. Oh shit! Sarap! Oo eh.
Uy, guys, zero kilo matami ng rice. Grabe yun, grabe. Okay. Okay na. Sabi, who's there? Oh! Thank you. Sorry guys. Okay guys.
Yes. Kami added 15. Oh my gosh.
Ito
ang sabi niya.
Guys, subusin natin bago pa makarating.
Kailangan mo na siya.
Cheers! Healthy ako ba yun? Gino lang ako naman. Pero fire masarap lahat. Okay guys, they're gonna buy Mango Mama. They're right there. We're looking for henna tattoo. Great minds think alike. This is my design, y'all. What's yours? Oh yeah, the dragon. This is Gia. What's yours? Bukas ba tayo matatapos yan? Y'all, this is the Mango Mama.
Here guys. Kain tayo.
Yeah. We've tried this before, but I'm not a big fan of mango kasi.
Uy, ako din.
Diba? How is it, guys? How is it? How is it?
Taas. Umandar.
I don't think it is.
Yun yung mainit, yung kanin.
Ano?
Cookies and cream.
What flavor?
It's sesame.
Sesame.
Black sesame. Yeah.
Here. Here. Yes. Oh! Love it. Taray no kay Matt, it's giving ano, kadenang ginto. Chareng.
It's fine, sabi niya. But this one.
Babalik.
Not you.
Ay, maganda.
Yung pa nakikita kay Pao. Pao, ano yung itsura na sa'yo? Ganito yung ginawa ko. Nag-transfer pa ako. I'll take a video of everyone's tattoo.
There you go.
By taking a video of my tattoo.
Live reaction ni Mami. Ready? Ano to?
Tennis court.
Ba't yung tennis racket?
Tennis racket.
Where's yours, Ate Chess?
Okay guys.
Closer. There.
And then if you fold it, it becomes a snuff flat.
Yes.
Dami ito. Sarap naman na yung bag mo. Mami, Snoopy siya, pero pag kinuha mo, is snuff flat.
Ala, ling.
Parang kulang pa yung parang.
Scallops. Woo! Ganda! Ganda! Matt, show your head. It's so cool kasi yung suot ni Matt bagay na bagay. Yan. Ang cool talaga. Bagay sa yung arms.
Pakauwi nito!
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Nag-ingay na. Lagyan na natin. Salamin. Wala na makita. Pinagkagagawa. Pinagkagagawa. Pinagkagagawa na tayo to. Pinagkagagawa nito. Sana ganun ka nga pa rin. Will it be raining in Boracay? Hindi ka ba nilalamig? Mahirap ang mag-isa, nawiginig. Will it be raining in Boracay? Hindi ka ba nilalamig? Pag wala ang mga tao. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da-da-da-da. Da 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 da. Hey, hey, hey. We're not going to when the sun showers shine together, hold you right.
Masaya na ako. Masaya na ako dyan sa... Gusto pa
Uy, joke lang yun.
Anghang, no?
Anghang.
Pina-comment ko lang this.
So cute.
It's raining. But we're on the way to the beach. The shore. Ah, lamig! Woo! Kapagod na yung legs ko, guys.
Ah. Ganun pala. We're here. Woo! What's up, y'all?
Yo, we're going back, lifeguard said.
We're back, y'all. We're back. Three, go. Kita mo ba? Okay naman. Hindi ate na nag-shredding eh.
Ako na gustong malapit sa shore. Bakit popular yung?
Ako favorite ko pa rin talaga.
Mommy din. Ganda.
You know, right? Why?
Museum that's close enough. No?
Uy, balik! Ano yung reaction?
Seaweed. Ay, water.
Kelp. Like kelp.
Kainin mo nga.
Yeah! Sana nakikita.
Kasama din ma'am. Umbrella. Pao yung umbrella.
What is that?
Special mango Nutella crab.
Yes. I got the crab banana Nutella.
Let's share this.
My usual. My usual.
Go by.
Ito, this. Nasa Bermangga?
Arda kaya mo yung walang cold. Na-trauma. Or pag may nakikita tayong head.
Hindi na ano eh.
Ito pala.
Here. Pao, you don't drink soda. You don't like it or...
Ay, gusto ko. Kayo pa beer minsan. Pagkakita. Perfect.
On demand. Hindi, basta zero. It's less than zero.
Yeah.
Sabi sa TikTok.
I need right.
Ilagay mo na. Ilagay is more reps na.
May naman yung price. Tapos mo na malapit na yun.
Water ka din. Just look. Diba pala?
Hey guys! Show your, ikaw din.
Show your faces.
Hey guys, so we went shopping! Boracay is what I got. This is for me. Oh no, this not for me. This for Coach pala. This is for Coach. And then this is for me. This is for Gia's fit.
Meron siya ba?
Dog animals.
This is what it looks like. Ano, ayaw mag-focus. This is what it looks like. And then we also got anklet/bracelet. Yes. You can adjust it kasi. Yeah, this way. Like that. And then we bought these for sila ate. Because they're taking care of Gia right now. I have extra. Anyway, this is my permanent tattoos. Henna, tennis court, and then we have the tennis racket and tennis ball. Oh my god! Flex naman tayo muscle.
I will not submit.
Okay, this one.
In person.
Okay, this is...
Dad. Mom. Kunya.
Uy, nasira.
This is Ate Chessa's
Ba't
tattoo.
line na nung
And then,
Why is it like so slim?
I don't know. And then when it becomes chubby smoothie.
Oh yes.
Chubby
Slim, chubby. Slim, chubby. Yes. Okay, next.
Then guess.
Gia.
Guess my tattoo.
Gia na hindi pa nag-groom. Mukha siyang Yorkshire Terrier. This is the groomed version. And this is the not
Before
groomed.
Mr. Boss.
Yes.
Game!
Thank you, Dad.
BM, okay.
Baka malunod
Oh, teka, Habi. Kalma, malapit na. Ay!
Dapat next si Tita Hazel, pati Mami, tapos Tita Hazel. Go!
Chicken pie.
You gotta go down.
Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go! Post-game interview. Ang bilis nyo! Ang bilis nyo kasi!
Isa pa lang yung leg.
Oh, sit up, sit up, sit up.
Lincoln! Stay here! Wow! Wow!
gaano kapayat yung base niya eh.
Dapat si Siyempre nakita.
Matangkad nga, pero yung base naman. Hey, yeah, wow, 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 wow!
Ako po yung gumagalaw eh.